I was talking to a client the other day and the topic of sales came up, as it often does, along with getting more profitable and helping owners get out of the day-to-day operations, delegating things away, and ultimately building a more valuable business so that when they decide it's time to move on, they've got something to sell. So in this video, I want to talk about 3 very distinct sales when it comes to the restoration industry and other home services industries as well. There's a lot of similarities here. Number 1 is you've got to make the phone ring, right? So how do you do that? Any number of ways, right? Pay-per-click, lead gen, SEO, a TPA. I know that's very controversial. An outside sales presence, right? Do you have an outside sales person or people? And are you holding them accountable, looking at their activity notes, training them, role-playing with them, helping them with objection handling? This is all what I do in my Restoration Sales Academy. I started that about 4 years ago, and it's helped so many restoration sales reps get off to a great start. The second type of sale is that initial phone call, right? So now somebody has called you, somebody's going to pick up the phone, and are they creating a sense of urgency? Are they showing some empathy? Are they creating a sense of urgency and getting that person scheduled on the initial phone call, not through a callback? Because imagine this, I listen to call recordings all the time for clients. One of the things that I hear, this common theme, is somebody's calling, they need help. Maybe they've just gotten home from work and they notice they had water damage and they're being told someone will call you back, right? Now, if you are saying to yourself, that doesn't happen in my business, if you're not listening to call recordings regularly, I would challenge you to do that, because so often my clients will tell me it doesn't happen in my business, and we start listening to call recordings and find that it does. So minor coaching, and it can really change your booking rate. The third type of sale is the in-home sale. So gone are the days of 100, 250, even 500, even $1,000 deductibles are becoming much more uncommon. 2,500, 5,000, 1%, 2%, 3% of home value, much more common. So what does that mean? We've got to be better at helping homeowners understand that there is a sense of urgency and that in many cases they really don't need to get multiple estimates. One of the things that I provide to my clients is a role-playing workbook where they can go through with their field personnel all the common objections, do some role-playing, have some fun with it in the office with their peers, and it makes it that much better when they're out there in front of somebody trying to get that work authorization signed. Okay, so those are the 3 types of sales that are so important. The other thing is that it's got to lead to profitability, right? So I don't want to make this video too long, but the other way that I help clients is through the Restoration Profit Academy. This is for owners who want to get more profitable, who want to understand their financials, who want to stop ignoring them, who want good, solid information that they can act on, right? Job costing, allocating labor to jobs, looking at job filtered P&Ls, looking at their cash and accrual P&Ls, getting to accrual-based bookkeeping / accounting. Doesn't mean that you're reporting taxes on the accrual basis, but job costing and seeing in real time, month to month, what your actual profit is on jobs. Things like being able to see job profitability by division. There's so many great things that come as a result of being this involved and this detailed with your financials. And it's not as hard as you think it would be. And when I started, my first 2 years, I was in the dark, and it made such a big difference once I got an understanding of this. And again, this is what I love helping clients with. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, book a call with me. We'll get on a call and you'll, at the very least, come away with some things to work on. I'll help you get unstuck. See you in the next video.